Where's the rift?
I got your rift right here. What are you doing? Under the blade. You're gonna pay for that.
Tell us where the rift is.
I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a little weird having Kelly doing this to me. No, not the Muddy Browns. Oh no! Oh!